Hi guys, it's EJ the DJ once again. This video is going to be live.me shoutouts party, but before I begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. As soon as we hit 200 subscribers, I'll be starting to sell some merchandise. So hopefully, as soon as we can get to 200, all this stuff will start being given away for free. Drop a like down below. If we can get 30 likes, that'd be absolutely amazing. I'd really appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. If you subscribe, then I'll try and reply to all of them. If you like a shout out, leave a comment. This whole video is going to be about shout outs coincidentally. So, yeah, I suppose we should just get straight into the video. Yeah, before I start this video properly, someone who wanted a shout out who isn't on live.me, I don't think. It's Jacob Jackson. You should see him in the comment section of the last video. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to him. In my last video in the comment section, you should see his name, so subscribe to him. His icon is a picture dabbing, which is quite funny. So right to the main part of the video. Shout outs. The first person that I want. We have 21 people here. I'll get it done fast. Okay, everyone follow these guys on live.me, they are amazing, they're in my stream. We have Brock Lamar, Holly Quinn, Baby Girl, Roman Outwood Fan 99, Aaron Ware, Nail of Jesus, Kathleen Flaherty, Nitro 420 Lopez, L.O.O. His YouTube channel is Nitro 420 Lopez. I think the space in between subscribing. We have Camille, Emma Franz Queen, Jesus 97K. His YouTube is Adanan Desmeralda. Subscribe to him. We have Samuel McGee, Aiden 033, Stylar Christian, Jackson Shaw, Winter 307, Kyra Bossman 123, Cadence N, The Falcons, Nasia Abdi, and Autumn 12. So those were all of the people I would like to give a shout out to. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button up there. Should be in the corner. If you're watching this on a computer or a phone or an iPad, there might be something up there on my channel thingy. Subscribe to that. Watch one of my popular videos, which should be there. If you're not seeing it yet, don't worry, I need to edit the video first. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Number 200 subs. Click that, subscribe. Be 200 subs and we can start giving away all the stuff. Drop a like down below so you can get 30 likes, that'd be amazing. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace guys. Oh yeah, watch My Girlfriend Cutie. I'll leave a link to that down below as well. And I'm getting a hedgehog video. 2 most popular videos, we need to get them higher, higher and higher. Hopefully we'll get to 1k views on the I'm Getting a Hedgehog video. So, oh yeah, sorry about the long length from the last video. And also the fact that I couldn't put the intro in the last one. It was just too long, 17 minutes, I can't even add 10 seconds. It took me a while to get that uploaded, and there was, you know, a couple of mistakes made whilst I was uploading it, saying, your storage is full, and I had to go and delete like 6 apps, so it was quite annoying. If you could support me, that would be great. If you enjoyed, watch these videos, links will be left below. Also to the music in the background, which was made by NCS, no copyright sounds, Blazars, Northern Lights. So, hope you enjoyed. Once again, please sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace, guys.